Good day. Nice to meet you. Lung Wei established since 1948 as the first manufacturer of padlocks in Taiwan. We provide of excellent quality, security and reliability. We supply various locks to overseas buyers on OEM, ODM, OBM basis and also customize locks for specific purposes. 850 SP is a Grade 5 security padlock, with anti-pick pins, shrouded shackle and steel ball bearing locking mechanism and so on. 8000 series are made by heavy-duty brass body and inner mechanism rust-resistant, also have pin-tumbler protection. 105 series made of solid brass, got 3 or 4-digit wheel locking mechanism, easy to reset and required without tools. For more product, please visit our stores. Do you like our product? Contact us now.